my children. What did I give them?
Radioactive shrimp from Walmart. Radioactive shrimp from Walmart.
One bite made me glow in the dark. Oh, And now we meet inside the ER late at night. The nurse is whispering that something just ain't right. They scan my insides and my organs look real bright. I'm now immobile. Shrimps from Chernobyl.
Radioactive